Now we're going to move on to the task to set up sudoers. So we're going to SSH over to cloud user at web server 1 using the password that we're provided. Sudo -I. We have to have root access already to be able to set up sudoers. So we're just going to use cloud user's sudo access to be able to do so. And then vsudo. Go to the end of the file. Copy that line. Ansible. And then we can repeat that on the other two servers. DB server 1, password. We can actually just sudo vsudo. And then admin server 1. Sudo vsudo. End of the file, copy, paste, and then change the username to Ansible. And then we can SSH Ansible at web server 1 and do something like sudo tail var log messages. And it works. So I'm going to drop out, clear my screen. That's it for this task. Let's move on to the next one.